Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video I'll show you how to control volume on your Android if your volume button not working. So for this guys, simply go to your phone settings and now here find this sound and vibration. So you can see here guys, sound and vibration, volume vibration, do not disturb option. Tap on this option. And finally, you can see here media volume, call volume, ring and notification volume and alarm volume. You can control your Android volume without using the volume button. And more options here. This is the power on sound. If you want to enable and disable, just use this button. And the next, vibration and haptics, you can set the settings and use this. And media settings and do not disturb option, you can use this option. So this is the simple and short video. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.